Hello, my name is Francesco and this is the assignment 150 bird. This time we had 4 tasks. First one, randomize the gap between pipe and no longer hardcode to 90 pixels. For this task I just looked at pipepair.lua script and modified the pipe instantiate with mat.random function between 85 and 120. The second one task was to randomize the interval at which pair of pipes spawn, so they are no longer always 2 seconds apart. So let's go to playstate.lua. Here I created a new variable which contains a mat.random function. Mat.random without arguments return a random number in the range 0, 1 and I multiplied for 1.7 plus 1.4 so the pipes doesn't spawn one above the other. The third one task was to implement the score state to get rewards like a medal via an image. The request was to implement 3 different ones, so 3 images and 3 medal rewards based on score. So going to scorestate.lua and now we have 3 variables which contains our 3 reward images and a condition where we set the medal corresponding to the score. The last one task was to implement a pause feature displaying an icon or something and music to make clear the game is paused. Creating another script or implement this feature in the playstate.lua is pretty the same thing. The only one difference is that it's easier to improve and maintain our code. In this case, I decided to implement the condition in playstate.lua script. So if we press P and our game is scrolling, stop everything and play the sound pause on, else resume and play the sound pause off. And of course, pause on and pause off sounds are initialized in the main.lua script. And I added the scrolling condition at the start of the playstate function, update function. Okay, so time to play. This is the result. So let's play again. Okay, so the random gap between pipes, the random pipe spawn, the pause feature with the sound, and the rewards. Well, that's it for this assignment and see you to the next one.